Hello there, my name is Cynthia. On our channel, we keep uploading videos related to digital marketing concepts and tricks. So if you are new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified as and when we upload new video on digital marketing. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what is schema markup, what are the types of schema markup, and how to add it on your website to make the search engines and users better understand your website's content. So let's get started. So what is schema markup? Schema markup is a structured data vocabulary that helps search engines better understand the website's content in order to serve rich snippets. These markups allow search engines to understand the meaning and relationship behind entities mentioned on your site. For this reason, schema markup has become a very important topic in SEO. Schema markup is a great way to help your website stand out from your SEO competitors. When a website has schema markup in place, users can see in SERP what the website is all about, where they are, what they do, what is the cost, and many more. Once added on a web page, it creates an enhanced description, commonly known as rich snippet, which appears in search results. Let us see a few examples of schema markup.
On the SERP, here you can see a schema markup of review rating has been added. A schema markup of frequently asked questions, that is FAQ, has been added, and the schema markup of breadcrumb has been added.
Such types of rich snippets are proven to increase click-through rate in organic search results. Schema.org is a website that provides various types of schemas that enables webmasters to embed structured data on their web pages for use by search engines and other applications. Let us have a look at some common types of schemas that you can add on your website. The first one is article schema. This type of schema can be embedded on news articles or a piece of investigation report. Newspapers and magazines have articles of many different types, and this is intended to cover them all.
For example, when I type COVID-19 news in a Google search box, this is how an article schema will be fetched up.
When you want to show in rich snippet an event happening at a certain time or location, such as a concert, festival, or the ticketing information, you can use event schema.
For example, when I type upcoming events in Mumbai, the event schema will appear somewhat like this.
The next schema is product schema. This schema can be added on any product or service.
For example, when I type hair fall shampoo, you can see the product schema will look somewhat like this.
The next type of schema is recipe schema. You can even add schemas on your recipe pages to get more clicks on your organic search ad.
For example, when I type how to make a biryani, these are the snippets that I've been pulling out, in which it is showing the rating, how much time it takes to cook the recipe, and some ingredients over here.
The next type of schema is video schema. You can even add schema on specific time frame of your video, wherein you are specifically talking about that particular topic in your entire video.
For example, when I type the query how to tie a tie, I can see a video schema being pulled up. So in this entire video, from 29 seconds up till this much time frame, this video is showing how to tie a knot. So in this way, it becomes simpler for me to directly jump to that part of the video related to what query I have asked on the Google search.
The next we will see is FAQ schema. When you are writing a blog wherein you are answering a various frequently asked questions, you can add schema to that part of the content as well.
The example of FAQ schema will look something like this. The name, the title, the meta description, below it a few FAQs will be visible in this manner.
The next schema is review schema. For many search terms, people look for ratings and reviews and make decision to pursue the website or business based on the reviews they see on the organic search ad.
For example, when someone is looking for hair transplant in Texas and they want to see a rating, the rating schema will look something like this, wherein it will have the star marks as well as a number of reviews received for that particular website.
The next schema we will see is breadcrumb schema. A breadcrumb trail indicates the position of the page on the site hierarchy as it may help users understand and explore the site properly. A user can navigate all the way up in the site hierarchy, one level at a time, by starting from the last breadcrumb in the breadcrumb trial.
For example, the rich snippet of breadcrumb will look something like this. So in this page wherein I want to check malaria vaccine or any other topic related to the same, this breadcrumb snippet is easy for a user to directly go and check that part of the topic.
So these were the common types of schemas that are widely used. You can visit the website of schema.org. In that you need to visit Organization of Schema page, the link of which I will be adding in the description box below. You can see a list of schemas and embed them accordingly in your website. Check out the ones best suited for your website. One last but most important tip, that you ensure that whenever you add a schema on your page, make sure that you test it out whether the code has been embedded properly or not.
To test the schema, this is the place where you have to come and check. The link of this testing tool I have added in the description box. All you have to do is come over here and add the URL wherein you have added the schema and click on test URL. So it will analyze and give you the information of what schema you have added on the website. So on this page I have added FAQ schema and it is showing a green tick mark sign over here, which means that the FAQ schema has been properly added on this website.
So thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We will keep uploading many more videos, so till then stay tuned.